Factoring trinomials of the type ax squared plus bx plus c. If we have to factor 6n squared plus 23n plus 7, like we did yesterday, we have to factor 7, we have to factor 6. What are the factors of 7? 1 and 7. What are the factors of 6? Or 6n squared? 1n and 6n. 2n and 3n, right? Now we need to decide on what factors, when we multiply them across and add them vertically, equal to 23n. So should we start trying? What should I try first? So I'm going to try 2n and 3n. For 7 we just have 1 and 7. If I multiply across, this equals to 2n. If I multiply across here, this equals to 21n. 2n plus 21n equals 23n. Is that what I was looking for? Okay. Remember I said yesterday we group these diagonally. 3n plus 1 times 2n plus 7. Those are my factors. Can I check my answer? What do I do to check? Distribute. So 3n times 2n, 6n squared. 3n times 7, 21n. 1 plus 2n, 1 times 2n, 2n. And 1 times 7 is 7. 6n squared plus 23n plus 7. Is this exactly the same as what I started with? Yes, that means my answer is correct. Let's say we need to factor 2y squared plus 5y plus 2. Let's start down our x. The factors of 2y squared, 1y and 2y. The factors of 2, 2 and 1, or 1 and 2. So 2y, 2y, and on this side, 2 and 1. If I multiply across, this equals 2y. If I multiply across here, this equals, no, this does not equal 2y, 4y, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, mistake. I'm sorry. 2y times 1y. I'm sorry, thank you for catching that. So if I multiply, I get 4y. 1y times 1 equals y. Now if I add right here, if I add, this equals 5y. This is like my preliminary check, right? Once I'm here, can I move forward? So my first binomial is going to be y plus 2 times 2y plus 1. And I can check my answer. You say 2y cubed plus y plus 4y plus 2. 2y cubed plus 5y plus 2. Let's check if this is correct. Is that what I started with originally? Yes. So that means my answer is correct. We have to factor 7x squared minus 26x minus 8. What are the factors of 7x squared? 1x and 7x. What about the factors of negative 8? Negative 1 and 8, or 1 and negative 8. Negative 2 and 4, or 2 and negative 4. Now we want, when we add them, we multiply, the sum of the products have to equal 26x. So I'm going to start with my x and 7x. What do you suggest is the best set to use on this right side? I'm thinking negative 4 and 2. If we test this, x times 2 is 2x. 7x times negative 4 is negative 28x. And if I add these, I get negative 26x. Does this equal to b? So the factors of 7x squared minus 26x minus 8 would be 7x plus 2 times x minus 4. So that's what we use our x for right here, to pair these. This is one binomial, this is the other binomial.